YouTube channel, Python Tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python installation. It is very important. How to install Python software on Windows. Most of the students are different types of employees are most of the user in different areas used only for Windows. There are different operating systems. One operating system is Unix operating system, Linux operating system, Mac OS operating system, Ubuntu operating system, DOS operating system, and Windows operating system. Now the installation is only Windows operating system. How to install Windows operating system in Python software. Okay, now the Python, no doubt it, Python is a high-level programming language. Python is a high-level. Python is a high-level interpreter-based, high-level software, high-level programming language, Okay. And it is also interpreter-based programming language, interpreter, scripting language, and supports object-oriented programming concepts also. It is object-oriented programming language. No doubt it, Python combines all the features of the interpreter-based high-level language and scripting programming language. Python is scripting programming language. Okay, now the second one is very important. So now we are using the Windows operating system. Now Python does not come with prepackaged with Windows. So Python does not come prepackaged with Windows. You must and should install. You must and should download the Python software. After downloading, install it. After downloading, install the software. Install the Python software. It is very important. These are the very important concepts. Okay, right here. Now it is available in the different versions. The Python is available in the different versions. Python software is available in different versions. Now, which version you want? Which version do you need? That is very important. Which version do you need? Which version do you need? That is very important. Which version do you need? Python is available. Different versions. So now one version is Python 1.0 is one version. Python 2.0 is one version. The other version is Python 3.0. There are different subversions are also available. 1.0 was released in 1991, and 2.0 was released in 2000 year, and the 3.0 was released in 2008. Again, there are the different subversions also released, like 1.1 and 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and so on. 1.9 version also available. Similarly 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 3.4, 5 up to 2.9 are available. Similarly 3.1 also available, 3.1 also available, 3.2 also available, 3.3 also available. Now here up to and present the latest version is 3.8.2. Python latest and current version is 3.8.2 is available. This is the latest version. Python software. Now how to installation? These are the steps. Installation required steps. Installation Python. Okay, steps. These are the steps. Okay, installation Python. The first step is enter into the Google. Now, which website? www.python.org. This is official website using Python software. www.python.org. And the second step, after go to the website, and now click the downloads button. Click the downloads button. Okay. And after third step, click the Windows operating system, or select the Windows operating system. Select the Windows operating. This is very important. Select the Windows operating system. Windows operating system. Which operating system you want? Windows operating system. Okay. Now, after fourth step is select or click 3.8.2 version. Click 3.8.2 version. And that's step 5. The fifth step, okay, download and download Windows. Which version? 32-bit or 64-bit? Okay. After completing, okay, add Python 3.8.22 when path. Add Python path. This is very important. We explain each and every step to okay. Now the first step is www.python.org. Go to Google. Okay, now here we are click the Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome. Select the second step. This is the second step. First step python.org. In the www.python.org. Okay, click the www.python.org. Right? Python.org. www.python.org. Okay, clear. Enter button. Press enter button. Okay, immediately there are different versions, different buttons. One button is about button, one button is download button, one button is documentation, community, success story. There are the different, and one is news, events. Here no need. First of all, you want to only download the software. Okay, again click the download button. Click the download button. There are the different versions. All releases, source code, Windows operating system, Mac OS operating system, other platforms, license, alternatives. No need of license. Python is an open source programming language, free and open source programming language. Now the Windows. After click the Windows button and now select the Python 3.8.2. Here we are using. First step is already completed. Python.org. Go to Python.org website. Second step is click the downloads button. Okay, the second step, click the downloads button. Clear. And the third step, the downloads button, click the Windows operating system selected. Okay. And the fourth step, click 3.8.2 version. Okay, now go to the 3.8.2 step. Okay, here click 3.8.2. Click it. Okay, click the button, and now this is the executable file is downloaded. Please observe the bottom of the screen. Python, here the Python 3.8.2 executable file is okay, open, and now open. After downloading here this is the process. Okay, now after downloading, install the software. Please observe this one. After downloading, now installation. Please go to the installation. Here there are the different windows. One is already Python is available. Okay, modify or remove individual features, repair or uninstall, remove the entire Python 3.0. No, modify, already available. Okay, now go to the Python, and here to press the click the installation, add Python to environment. Okay, now the pre-compiled standard library, download, debugging. So no need all these things no needed. Add Python to environment variables. Okay, no problem. And the install button, press the install button. Okay, now the installation process, modify the progress. So now the installation process is Python for Windows. Please observe this one. Okay, now we are selecting. Now here, this is the completely for Python for Windows. Now, okay, now the software is downloading. It is 32-bit. Okay, you are using 32-bit. Okay, clear? And after completing, okay, now the software is downloading. Please wait for 2 minutes. And after downloading, okay, now, so thank you for choosing Python 3.2. Now close it. Okay, now everything is okay. The process is installed and clicking, everything is completed. Now we are, the next step is click 3.8 set. Add Python 3.8 also modify. And after step next one, okay, and the sixth step, and step 6 is okay, go to start menu on Windows. Go to start menu on Windows. And step 7, okay, type IDLE on search button. In search button, type ideally in search button. Search button. Okay, clear. Now next sixth step. Go to start menu. Now the start menu. Okay. Now here is the search button. Here in the search button. In the search button, type IDLE. IDLE means Integrated Development Learning Environment. IDLE Python 3.8.2 32-bit. Select it. Now in our laptop, the 3.6 also available, the 3.7 also available, in the 3.8 also. Now the 3.8 is the latest Python version. Now press and click it. Okay. Press and click it. And now the Python 3.8.2. This is the Python 3.8.2 software. And after installation, immediately this is appeared. This symbol is called as a Python. This symbol is called as Python triple chevron prompt or Python shell prompt. This symbol is called. It's a symbol. 3 greater than symbol is called as a triple chevron prompt or Python shell prompt. Okay. And now we are using. Okay, simple commands. After installation is completed, we are using simple, for example, print of. Okay, welcome to Via Digital YouTube channel. Okay, now the print the value or perform some operations. 2 plus 3 operation, 2 plus 4, 8 into 5. Now, for example, 8 by 5, 8 minus 5. There are the different operations. Clear, guys? This is the Python installation. These are the steps required Python installations. First point, python.org. Click the downloads. Click the Windows operating system. Select the 3.8.2 version. Add Python. There are the different versions. Okay, one for www.python.org. Okay. After go to, okay, select the downloads button. Okay, and after downloads button, okay, Windows operating system. Okay, after Windows operating system, you can press. Okay. Python 3.8.2 version. Clear? Downloading, click the start button and use the Python software. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is completely Python install. How to install Python on Windows. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.